Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, on top, a lino block I made in 1990 called 5,000 Seganos banknote or currency note. And all the imagery was drawn and then cut backwards so that when it prints forwards. And I don't have a print on hand, but I'll print them up this week, and then I'll do a video showing what those look like. Yesterday I did the drawing for a new currency note here. It's going to be from El Banco Boidio, paid to the order of whoever recipients are. It's going to be 9,000 Boidy'O's. Bona fide Boidy'O's. There's also a lost lutefisk on the lower left here. And notice in the 5,000 Seganos banknote is this fish down here. Okay, boys, thank you. Thank you for the